Hi, I'm Madonna. Welcome to my new clinic. You have probably heard me talk about my good friend Linda Hoggard over the years. Her and I have done naturopathic and kinesiology training together for over 23 years. So she's one of my very dear friends, and she's involved in all sorts of amazing things in the naturopathic kinesiology world. And she's visiting me at the moment, and she reminded me how good it is just to have your amygdala done. So one of the things I'm going to have in my online kinesiology training coming up is how to do your own amygdala. How to do your own amygdala. So the amygdala, what's it involved with? You know, on those days when you get a bad piece of mail, or, you know, a bill that you weren't expecting, or just you've had like a whole bunch of things go wrong in your life and you can't see that you're ever going to have a joyful future again. Your amygdala can be activated for fight, flight and freeze. It can be activated for depression. It can be activated for escape, wanting to run away and hide. And it can be activated for rage and anger. So Linda just reset my amygdala, and it just feels nice and calm. And the two big ones going on, you all know I've had lots and lots going on in my life over the last 6-8 weeks. So we've moved clinics, I've shut down my radio show, we've had just all sorts of things happen. We've been renovating the clinic here in the new space. So it's just been a lot. It's been a lot going on, and my brain's just imploded. So anyway, so just a quick little idea about how you would actually do that. So the 3 things that you need in order to get your amygdala going: you need to be able to stack. So remember, stacking is the thing that we use in our jaw, our hips and our hand, and you know, the old gang signs. So basically it's something where you need to be able to stack in individual acupuncture points. Touching them doesn't work. You need to stack it in, because it's like an algebraic equation. It's like this, plus this point here. That equals the amygdala, and I stacked those in. And then what you can do is, and then there's 5 points from your xiphoid process, which is where your rib cage joins. There's a little bone in there. So from the xiphoid process, 1 bin above, and there's 5 little points. So you check each one individually, and so you can actually self-muscle test, you know, touch it, stack it, see if it unlocks. See if it unlocks. See if it unlocks. So you can work your way down through the amygdala. Anything that unlocks needs a balance. So that's a quick little way you can do your own amygdala reset, and it'll be coming up soon. Find me on All Things New Leaf Natural Therapies on Facebook, and you'll find the online course on there. Okay, check it out. Have a great day.